Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, October 7. Government has signed a contract to buy 2 new fire trucks for the Jamaica Fire Brigade. The local government ministry signed the contract with manufacturer Rosenbauer yesterday. Valued at $987,822, the pumper trucks are being manufactured in Minneapolis, Minnesota, in the United States, and will be delivered in mid-2017. Local government minister Desmond McKenzie says this signing represents the start of a number of improvements that the administration will be making to the fire service.
To make them much more reliable, to make them more efficient, and to give them the kind of support that is required in executing their responsibilities.
He says that in this financial year, work will start on one of the 3 new fire stations to be built in St. James, St. Thomas, and St. Mary. The National Water Commission, NWC, says it expects to complete work in a few days on the damaged sewer line that caused the breakaway on a section of Constant Spring Road in the vicinity of the Marketplace complex. NWC's Corporate Public Relations Manager, Charles Buchanan, says the agency initiated the emergency procurement arrangement to engage a contractor to repair the damaged sewer line. He says every effort will be made to have it done in the shortest time possible. The breakaway off the road surface has reduced the affected section of Constant Spring Road to single-lane traffic. The National Works Agency says motorists should use alternative routes where possible. Those who use Constant Spring Road are advised to expect delays as only 2 of the 5 lanes are accessible to vehicular traffic at this time, 1 lane for northbound traffic and 1 for southbound traffic. The Jamaica Customs Agency, JCA, is warning importers to desist from importing goods without the relevant permits, concealing those goods, and making a false declaration or face the full penalty of the law. The warning follows yet another find in which the JCA says an importer attempted to conceal a motorcycle without the requisite permit and make a false declaration to the customs agency. The breach was discovered on September 30 when the Border Protection Unit's fast anti-smuggling team found disassembled bike parts that would comprise a whole motorcycle while doing routine check of 4 barrels at the port handler's warehouse at Freeport in Montego Bay. The importer had initially declared that the barrels only contained food, clothing, and some bike parts. The importer was informed that he was in breach of Section 210 of the Customs Act, and the entire shipment has since been detained by the agency. Education Minister Senator Ruel Reid is endorsing Mico University College's establishment of an ePay cashless school program. ePay, which is owned and operated by Alliance Payment Services Limited, is designed to save the university time and money by improving security, safety, and efficiency. The ePay cards will have a wide range of features and uses, including campus access, settling payments, and making purchases both on and off the grounds of the institution. About 2,000 students enrolled at the 180-year-old institution are likely to benefit. Minister Reid has lauded the school for pioneering the initiative, which was launched on Wednesday.
I'm glad that the Mico University College is setting an example for the other teachers' colleges for implementing this cashless system. Indeed, ladies and gentlemen, this is the way of the future.
As the country observes National Tree Planting Day, Education Minister Senator Ruel Reid is appealing to Jamaicans to protect the environment as a means of minimizing potential devastation from natural disasters such as hurricanes.
We have seen, of course, unfortunately, the devastation witnessed in Haiti with the passage of a hurricane Matthew and the fact that a lot of trees have been cut down over time. And so we are signaling to Jamaica the need to protect our environment, and we want to congratulate the Forestry Department for this initiative and that Jamaicans will take note.
The minister was speaking with JIS News after taking part in this morning's opening ceremony to mark National Tree Planting Day at the Charles Chin Loy Basic School in Kingston. He says the activity was an important one for the children to witness and get involved with.
First of all, it is supporting the need for the school to achieve a particular standard 4 in the safety and security element of the early childhood development standard, and also an opportunity for the children who participated in the activity this morning to see us planting trees, the teamwork that was exhibited, and more important, a lesson being taught how we protect the environment. There's need for us to always plant trees so that the trees benefit our environment by producing oxygen that makes our environment healthier.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness and other government officials also participated in National Tree Planting Day activities. And finally, government is appealing to the public to donate to the Help Haiti initiative. While Jamaica was spared the wrath of Hurricane Matthew, it is reported that the storm killed hundreds of people in Haiti and destroyed the country's national infrastructure. The Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, has been charged with coordinating Jamaica's relief assistance to the country. Through its Help Haiti initiative, ODPEM is asking Jamaicans to donate bottled water, non-perishable food items, and tarpaulins. Items should be sent to ODPEM's headquarters at 2 to 4 Haining Road, Kingston 5. Cash donations can also be made to any branch of the National Commercial Bank to account number 212387304. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.